and Gwen. It's a Friday night. Daddy just left home from Chicago. We are ready for Daddy to be home and for the weekend to get started. Oh yeah! Rowan, gentle bud. Rowan just ate a teether biscuit and got it all over. You see his shirt? Oh, disgusting. Oh, disgusting. Gwenny, look at mommy. So, hey, where did we go earlier today?
Chicago.
We went to Chicago